Hello, beautiful humans. Simple and quiet is how I choose to live my introverted life. I've always struggled in life as an introvert. I was never suited for a fast-paced life. Yet I was thrown into life's superhighway early in life. The anxiety became more overwhelming as I got older. So much that I finally suffered from living that way of life in both the mental and physical state. Then I found slow, intentional living. I slowed down and became more mindful, relieving the stress and anxiety. Not everyone is suited for slow living, but if you're an introvert like me, slow living just might be what you're looking for. Slow living allows me to process what happens in my life in a more mindful way. I can notice the small things, and I'm grateful for them. I can more easily detach from things that no longer serve me and focus on things that nourish my mind. Just a quick reminder to subscribe if you're not yet a member of our Slow Living community, and please give this a like. It will help my small channel grow. Thank you so very much. I really appreciate you all. How do you get to slow living? Become aware of the distractions that eat away at the hours without bringing you contentment. Then fill those moments with quiet time. Spending time quietly, in my case, energizes me. Slow living is a way of life. It lets me focus on living with more intention. I thrive when I travel through life at my own pace. Being present and having gratitude is a great place for us introverts to be. Slow living is connecting to ourselves and appreciating where we are in the moment. Life is so interesting on its own that I don't need other people's stimulation. Like most introverts, I can do small things in moderation before having to recharge. I have a small circle of friends that understand that I relish my time alone. They know that I'm not snubbing them if I don't reach out to them first. They understand that I will usually respond when they reach out to me. Living a slow life resonates with this introvert. If you're one too, living the slow life might just help you relieve that overstimulation that we get from the hectic world around us. Until next time, be kind to yourself.